In this video, you're going to see at least 2 pieces from me, and you will get some narration along the way.
I gotta hit the beat. 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 I gotta. I gotta. Pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on my shoulder. This is my exposure. Pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on my shoulder. This is my exposure. Pop that all night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. Pop that all night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin.
Bringing anything to the table, bro. I'm not your son, see I'm able. I do my own bits. Limited edition on some missing classic shit. I know that you're feeling it. Feel mad, cold nights feel heavy. Same place, going in the heart of the city. Nitty gritty feels iffy and the eyes feel shifty. The shit we're in, yo, it's all mad risky. All night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. All night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin.
gash. Yeah. So looking back now, it wasn't actually as bad as I initially thought, but at the time, I really wasn't very happy. Yeah, it was just, yeah. But yeah, anyway, looking back, it wasn't actually that bad. But on to the next one, where I felt like I really needed to redeem myself. So, there you go. What can I say about this video? Firstly, I can say the first piece wasn't as bad as I actually thought, and looking back now, I kind of like it in a way. Like, yes, it could have been better. It was a little bit ropey. The sketch looked much better than the piece, if you can believe that anyway. Second piece, the E was far too small, really, in comparison to the Ken S. Like, yeah, it's something that I got to work on with that particular design. The character was okay, it was a little bit sketchy, like can control was a bit crap when it came to the outline, but anyway, it is what it is. I kind of feel like I redeemed myself with that second piece, even though the first piece wasn't actually that bad. So anyway, please give this video a thumbs up, that would be really cool. Obviously helps the channel grow. Drop a comment, tell me what you think about the two pieces. What could I have improved? Because yeah, there's definitely room for improvement. I'm never happy with my pieces, so yeah, it'd be cool if you dropped a comment and just give me your thoughts. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.